Okay everyone, back with the Bissell CleanView Swivel upright vacuum. We're going to be using it to clean this room. I decided to use this over the Shark because the Shark works really well, but there's a chance of there being a screw or something in this carpet that I can't see. So if we vacuum that up, it could damage the 0M. This Bissell has a much simpler nozzle design, so I'm more comfortable using this instead. So let's go. Accidentally suck up a screw or something, I'd rather suck it up into a less expensive vacuum like a Bissell. Bissell still cleans well though, and look at those groom lines. Piece of, not sure what that is right there, honestly. Piece of, oh yeah, I know what that's from. That's when I was cutting up some stuff to add to mesh tests. I'm gonna slice up some old fabric and add it to mesh tests, and there must have been some pieces that fell on the carpet. I guess accidentally added material. It's the only vacuum I have access to in here right now. We're basically locked in here by stuff that's blocking the door, so we're going to work with what we have here. Seems like the best direction to vacuum the carpets would be towards the door. I'm going to pick up these batteries right here and this stuff. We can have access to that corner for cleaning. Let's plug the Bissell in, say in right here. And now we can vacuum towards the best direction, and that is towards the door. As you saw when I was vacuuming, it really groomed well when we went towards the door, so we're gonna go towards the door. Room's better. You just hear the Bissell's brush roll as it agitates the carpet. Just a second, I need to move something. Alright, so I moved this thing out of the way, whatever this is called. Bookcase, I think. dent to remove. The Bissell's not going to be able to get those 2 dents out. But that thing's probably going to be staying there anyways, so trying to get the dents out is a waste of time. I really do like the maneuverability. It's one of my favorite features of the Bissell CleanView Swivel is the swivel. Because it really adds a lot of extra versatility. Well, I wouldn't say extra versatility. It makes it easier to use the machine, that's how I'd say. I think this is enough vacuuming for this area right here. Let's see what's in the bin. A bunch of fine dirt, some fuzz, all the pieces of garbage I sucked up off the carpet. Bissell does a pretty good job, I will say. And that was another impressive showing. You can see the carpets are softer and more fluffy. We're definitely not done vacuuming, trust me. I have to move the bed and we're gonna vacuum where the bed was. But for now, I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be back when we have more stuff to clean.